So I can't say today was a bad trading day. Today we locked in, hitting on SPY and Tesla. You can see our call outs here in real time. Man, it was a good morning. But let's go ahead and do a quick recap on how we hit big. Today we got a 20% on Tesla. I hit a 15% and a 55%. So let's check it out. Alright, so first things first, let's go ahead and zoom into Tesla and talk about how we made some money today. Boom, here it is on the big screen. Alrighty, so I had announced in the Discord in our trade idea section what I would be looking out for on Tesla. I stated that it's trading in a range for the past couple days. As you can see, approached here, sold off, had a bounce, when rallied back up, hit to a similar level, sold off once again, found support at that same level, not exactly, but in the same range as you could see previously, and went up once again, and in pre-market was sitting right at that level. Okay, and as we can see on the 1 minute, when the stock opened, it was not able to make any higher highs, continuing the pre-market rally. It started to make new lows and continuously sell off. So when I saw this first candle closing for a new low, I went ahead, I entered puts around here, and I was just going to keep a tight stop loss if for whatever reason we did start continuing to make higher highs, continuing off the pre-market. But what ultimately ended up happening, we sold off even more, and I probably locked in a little bit too early. I think I sold about right here. Ultimately we did have a little rally, but we sold off a little bit more. As you can see, after I sold, we kind of had a little bit of a bounce and ultimately ended up hitting low. So yes, I may have missed out on some profits, but I played it safe. I'm not going to complain about a 20% win. A dub is a dub. Okay, so now we'll take a look at the SPY. The beginning of the morning, super choppy. As you can see on the 1 minute time frame, direction when the market opened was not clear at all. So you could have made money in either direction. The way I decided to play this, I viewed the market to be overbought with current levels. So I figured, okay, we're not making progress to the upside anymore. It's due for a little bit of a pullback. If it does continue and I am wrong, I'll keep a tight stop loss. I think I entered about right here. For puts. I'll keep a tight stop loss. If we start making higher highs and higher lows, I'll get out. I'll take my L. I'll learn my lesson. Initially, we did push down, and I was up some money, and I was like, cool, we're breaking below this market open. We're going to start seeing some selling pressure. Then what happened? We started rallying up. I was just a little bit negative on my contracts. Not to worry, like I said, if we were going to see higher highs, I was to get out. We came back up to retest this little rally that we had at the market open, sitting around there. And I'm like, okay, I'm keeping it tight. If we do continue higher, I'm selling, but I'm going to hold my position. It'll be okay. And then what happened? Ultimately, we sold off. And yes, I locked in way too early. I got like 15% on this play. Alright, and on my 55% play, I'm going to go ahead and recap it here. Like I said, beginning of the market was choppy. Direction wasn't clear. It wasn't necessarily rallying anymore from the pre-market, but it wasn't selling off hard. I saw that we did find support here. We came back up to this test, to test these highs, and I was like, okay, what is the market doing? It's trading around. So same thing. I was like, all right, well, I'm going to buy some puts here. If the market starts to make higher highs above this level and breaks out, I'll take my L, whatever. I can't be right every time. But if it does sell off, I'll have a lot of room to make money on the downside. So what did I do? I bought puts here, and I just allowed this thing to play out. Boom. We had a hard sell-off. As it approached previous support, I already made 55% on my money. I was grateful. I ended up selling. And what happened? The stock traded back up again. So one thing when you are trading, you got to understand, wait till you should, like I didn't really do it in the morning, but you should wait until direction is clear. Is the stock trading sideways like this, up and down, and one clear direction up or one clear direction down, and that's how you make your money. But today, like I said, we killed it on our wins. I locked in over 600 bucks. Some of the guys hit for 40 bucks, 60 bucks, 50, but everybody's getting paid. So yeah, if you want to join the Discord, I'll leave a link in the description. It's completely free to join. We have over 90 members. We do daily market assessments, trade ideas. We do our call outs, and my favorite, the live streams. We go live every morning. So, oops. Yeah, so feel free to join, and hopefully I see you guys soon. Peace.